These 6 simple isometric exercises can transform your entire body without using weights or machines. Isometric training relies on static contractions that activate deep muscles without repetitive movement. Instead of counting reps, you hold each position for a few seconds to build strength and stability. Even if you dislike the gym, you can perform these anywhere with zero equipment. In this video, you'll learn 6 isometric positions that improve posture and stamina. Before we begin, comment your name and the city you're watching from. Position 6 is the Superman executed while lying face down with arms and legs extended. Lift your limbs like you're flying and hold the position without movement. This strengthens your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings with deep spinal activation. The contraction feels massive even though your body stays still. Avoid excessive arching and lift only enough to maintain controlled tension. Keep your neck neutral with your gaze slightly downward. Breathe normally because breath holding increases unnecessary tension. This position especially helps people who sit for long periods. Hold for 20 seconds and repeat for 3 sets as a beginner. If your lower back hurts, lower the height or squeeze your glutes more. Isometrics improve body awareness during the hold. Avoid lifting limbs without engaging your core. To make the Superman harder, alternate limbs or add light weights. Progress only when your form is perfect. A mat or soft surface is enough for this exercise anywhere. Don't exaggerate the lower back arch because it strains your spine. Holding your breath also reduces your performance. Inhale before lifting, then exhale while holding. A warm burn in your glutes and lower back means it's working. Increase hold time to 30 or 40 seconds as you get stronger. Position 5 is the isometric push-up for chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Instead of moving up and down, you freeze halfway in the push-up. Start in a plank with hands slightly wider than shoulders. Lower until you feel tension and maintain the hold. Hold 15 to 20 seconds and do 3 sets. Drop to your knees if the intensity is too high. Don't let your hips drop or rise into an inverted V. Avoid shrugging your shoulders toward your ears. This builds endurance and major pressing strength. It also forces your core to stabilize your torso. Shoulder and elbow joints gain stability through static tension. Increase hold time to 30, 40, or 60 seconds as you improve. Lower closer to the floor to intensify the load. Don't rush progression, because rushing increases injury risk. Position 4 is the wall isometric squat, or invisible chair. Lower into a seated position with knees at 90 degrees. Avoid leaning forward if doing the freestanding version. Don't let your knees travel far past your toes. Expect thigh burn quickly because that's normal. Beginners should aim for 3 sets of 20-second holds. This strengthens knee stabilizers and improves daily mobility. Thigh shaking is normal and part of muscle adaptation. Add weight only after mastering form and breathing. Never hold your breath because it limits performance. You can do wall sits anywhere with zero equipment. Increasing duration improves endurance and muscle awareness. Before Position 3, subscribe for science-based fitness content. Position 3 is the dead hang, which looks simple but challenges the whole body. Hang from a bar with arms extended and shoulders slightly engaged. This builds grip strength, shoulder stability, and core control. Avoid letting shoulders rise to your ears. Hold 10 to 20 seconds and work up to 60 seconds. Don't relax shoulders completely or over-contract them. Dead hangs also decompress the spine naturally. Start carefully if you have shoulder or back discomfort. Try parks, gyms, or home bars for dead hangs. Position 2 is the isometric glute bridge for glutes and lower back. Lift your hips until your body forms a straight line and hold. Start with 20-second holds and progress slowly. Press through your heels and avoid pushing through your toes. This corrects imbalances caused by long hours of sitting. Position 1 is the plank, which strengthens the entire midsection. Hold the plank with perfect alignment, breathe steadily, and progress safely.